Yo, lads, ladies, what's going on? How good night? How hope your night's good? I don't know. Listen, I only said that because most of you guys, I know, I look at the audience retention rate and all that, and I know you guys are watching this usually at nighttime, so that's why I'm saying good night instead of good morning. I put this one more in. You guys didn't see that, but I put that one in off cam. But yeah. Here's the shed so far. We're gonna work on her today. Basically, I think I don't really know how many 2x4s I've got left that I can actually use. Let's go take a gander. But I'm gonna start framing up walls. Wow, I just got this really terrible ringing noise in my freaking ear. Like, you know, in Call of Duty when you get flashbanged. That's how my ears just sounded. The pool's finally drained. Taking it down now. So Code will be happy and hop off of my wang. But this is pretty much my 2x4 supply. Few old 2x4s left right here. I got maybe 5, so hopes are real high. And then I got a bunch of these chubs, so maybe I'll just do a bunch of cross supports and call it a day. I don't know. I think I'm gonna frame the wall itself up first, decide on my height and all that, and then do the middle support studs, you know, after the fact, since I'm limited, just so I can get a shape of things, you know. But I don't know how tall I want to make it. To be honest, I'm going to probably just go measure 2x4s and see how long I can make it based on what I got for 2x4s. I'd like for it to at least be like 7 feet, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm going to go do that, and then I'll get back with you guys when I'm out here, you know, time-lapsing it up of me freaking going to town, putting all this stuff together, and then I'll, you know, show you again how it's doing, how it's going. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, lads. So after all my big 2x4s were cleaned up and cut up, this is what I'm left with. I have the bottom, the top, and 4 studs for this wall, and that is literally it. So basically, I'm gonna just put together, you know, the outside 2, and then maybe the next 2 in, and that'll literally be it on this, because honestly, I can't do much more until I go get more material, because like I said, that's pretty much all I got for scraps. I'll show you what I got left there. I got a lot of, it's annoying. I have so many 5-foot chunks and I need 7-foot lengths. Don't mind the pool that I'm taking down right now. I'm in the process of that. See how much it killed my yard? Like, damn. Sad, right? But yeah, so this is what we're left with. As you can see, I'm all out of the good stuff, and it's just these midget ones left. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end that. I'm going to do some work on my front bumper, and yeah, but that'll be after this. So for now, let me get the trusty tripod, and let me get the trusty Mountain Dew. And now I'm gonna get to putting together what I can, and yeah, let's get after it, boy. Well, that one was short, so I have 3 on here. That's it. I was gonna put 1 more there. I got them marked. I think I'm gonna put another 3 here, 1 in the middle and 1 here, 1 here. It's like every 14 inches or something like that. Unless I decide I want to put a window on this thing, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Ran out of 2x4s. That's gonna end this video, but this is gonna be the same design. I ended up going with a 7-foot height overall, so it'll be like a 7 by 7, which is, you know, decent. I mean, I think 7 foot's kind of the perfect height for this. I made it 7 by 7, so it'll be like a perfect square. So yeah. But all right, guys, if you liked the content, the home project shit, hit me with the sub. Help your boy out. But all right, I got welding to do, so I'll catch you folks in the next video. Peace out.